All right, Dennis, here it is, the 2017 Chevy Impala that you're interested in. We're going to take a look at it together. I'm going to go over all the options for you and mileage and whatnot, and we'll go from there. Here's a nice look at the driver's side. Great looking Impala. Here's a look at the front. Got the blacked out bow tie on it. Very nice. You got the LEDs. Very sharp. Let's have a look at the back. And here's a look at the back of the Premier. Got your dual exhaust there, your rear park assist, backup camera. Very nice. Come over here on the sticker. Here's the sticker. Okay. Very nice. We'll take a look inside here. Nice jet black interior, all-weather floor mats, and a nice look up front at the instrument panel. There's a little place for some storage and some vents. You got the buttons on the door handles that lock and unlock it. You also have side blind zone alert and the side view mirror there. Okay, here's your window controls, side view mirrors, locks, power seat control and lumbar, and a nice look inside. All right, here we are inside. Let's go ahead and push the start. Okay, over here you have lane change assist, park assist, deck lid release. Nice little area for storage right there. Interior lights, park brake. Here's your forward collision alert.
In demonstration mode, connected by Onstar's high-speed 4G connection. Press the blue Onstar button to learn more.
Wait for Onstar there. There's your forward collision alert. Okay, cruise controls, 5-way directional right here. Okay, it does have 5,505 miles. This was a demo driven by one of our managers. Right here is the MyLink system. You can open that up by clicking that button. There's a place to put your phone and connect to the USB. Here's your CD player. Dual climate controls, okay? Very nice with auto and sync. Here you have an auxiliary charger, very nice. We do have heated seats right here, okay, and traction control. Okay, so you have heated bottom and back, or just for your back. There's your glove box. You have 2 USBs, an aux cable, and an auxiliary charging port. Up here you have your controls for the Ultra View moonroof. Very nice. Here's your glove box with original manual. Okay, cup holder in the center and 2 in each door, so that's quite a bit of cup space. And there you have it, a nice look at this 17. All right, so hopefully that was helpful to you. I covered pretty much every option that we have in here. Of course, we do have the backup camera with guidance. You also have OnStar navigation. You have AM, FM, and XM. Okay, and you can log all those channels down there if you like. Bluetooth, of course, you can Bluetooth compare your phone. And there you have it. All right, give me a call, 330-507-0502. Again, my name is Wayne Ulery, and when you buy from me, it's like buying from family. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye-bye now.